Hi friends! Today I want to share with you my new decorative stones. Are made for your backyard, your plants inside or outside of your home, or your backyard as you want it to use it. We're gonna open it. This one are white, and let me show you. The bag is so easy to use, and it's like a ziplock here, so you can open it and close it again when you don't need it more. These are the stones. If you look close, are a little shiny, are black, are white, sorry. And the feeling is soft. So after the unboxing that I just show you, here I have my river stone. You have to wash it before to use it because the river stones have some white powder. But just with water, you can wash it this way and are ready to use. Look at this, the water could white too. As I say, the stones are beautiful and are perfect for any use that you have to make in your garden or your plants. In this occasion, I'm gonna use it in this tank for putting some fish inside, my pets. So my river stones are clean already, and I'm just putting it inside this way. So as you can see, the river stones looks beautiful to decorate this tank. And also I use some of these stones to put it in my plants this way. So I highly recommend this product for your garden uses or for your aquatic pets. I highly recommend it. See you.